Hi friends, let's have a look what is use case and test case. So use case provides a high level overview of the system's functionality, focus on the interaction between the system and its user. So also we can say use case describes the requirement and it contains like action, flow and outcome, right? In other hand, the test case. So the test case says are specific like detailed scenarios to validate the functionality of a system. So they are used to ensure that the system meets the specified requirements and works as expected. Also, we can say uh, it describes test steps, expected result, and actual results. Thank you.